Hey, it's Ipsy Day. We're here. We're unbagging. It's already out of the pink packaging, but I have not looked inside. I did have an extra that I used points to get, and I had my boyfriend put it in here for me, so I couldn't see what was in it. I have to get my makeup on for work, so let's get right into this. The first thing I got is a Hayati Weightless Smoothing Cream. This is for hair, I believe. Oh, it smells good. It's goopy. Run that through my hair. It smells nice. Feels okay. Next thing I got, a brush. Oh, this is one of the like superhero themed ones. It looks like Harley Quinn. Oh, wow. It's really soft. Not quite what I would expect from a Luxie brush. I don't know if you can see the bristles on it. They're kind of screwy. Maybe after I wash it, that will remedy some stuff. I'm not going to use this brush today because I actually don't need a brush like this, I don't think, anyway. Okay, so this is the Winky Lux highlighter. I picked this because it looked champagne-y. It looked, I wanted like a champagne highlight, and this looked kind of perfect. Oh no. It's not a champagne highlight. Okay, it looks like one. I don't think that's gonna, it might pick up on camera, I can't see. In the pan, it looks like a kind of white champagne color, but as you can clearly see, it is a pink iridescent highlighter, which I have a million of and I really don't need. I just really don't need it. That's okay, I'll live. The next thing I've got, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is the one that's like a moisturizer and a primer all in one. And we've got a Trace-Steak Mini Lip Glaze in English Rose. It's so tiny. The color, it looks kind of like a little, like a tinted chapstick or something like that, but that's cute. And the last thing I have in here is Princess Loose Shadow in Pretty Petal. I don't like loose pigments, so I'll probably pass this on to someone else, but I will use it for today. If I can get it open. Oh, come on. I did it. Ooh, that is pretty though. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like got a gold shimmer to it. Oh yeah, and the bag is this. I don't really like it. Let's try the stuff on. I've never used any Smashbox primers. I've been wanting to. I have the primer water on my wish list that I may or may not have already purchased. You'll have to wait for that series to conclude in order to find out. But I like this. It feels nice. So I don't think I'm going to try out the highlighter just because I'm kind of keeping my face minimal today. I've got some breakouts going on here, but that is also not really part of my bag. I did use points to get it anyway, so I'm gonna say it doesn't really count today, but we'll come back to it. Alrighty, so I got a little color in my crease. I'm gonna use my finger. Just gonna press this color on my lid. Oh, that is pretty though. I may have found a loose pigment that I actually want to wear. Not dusting away to nothing. This is not for anyone who does not like glitter all over their face though. It's so sparkly. Okay, I think I do actually like this and I may hang on to it for a little while. Okay, so lastly we've got, oh man, that made my skin feel very nice. So now we're gonna try out the Trace-Steak. It really is just like a tinted lip balm, like it's very cute. I'm gonna just throw some pink gloss on over top of that. That is so cute. I like it a lot. He wins it. Sorry this was a quick one, guys. I am kind of on a time limit at this very second. But I do think this was a really good bag this month, and I am pleased. How are your bags this month? Let me know. We'll see you in the next one.